Cryptocurrency trading bots are an excellent tool, but they have their own set of problems. In this video, we'll look at some problems that you'll likely face when you use a cryptocurrency trading bot. Cryptocurrency trading bots connect to your account on an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or many others. Then they execute a strategy that's pre-programmed in the trading bot to manage your account. You no longer have to spend years trying to learn trading and making every mistake in the book along the way. You just sit back, relax, and let the bot do its thing. But there are problems with cryptocurrency trading bots, particularly because of their reliance on centralized exchanges. Here at Tradeium, we offer a dual momentum trading bot that can operate your Binance account. As a user of this service, and as managing the operation, I've come across a few problems and a few speed bumps along the way. And DeFi can actually help solve some of these problems. But first, let's get into the issues. Many of them are also issues with manually trading on your account as well. So this isn't a targeted hit to cryptocurrency trading bots as a class. The first issue is just getting started. You have to create an account on an exchange like Binance, verify your ID, send in your driver's license or passport, and a whole bunch of KYC steps. Then you need to send a bank deposit to fund your account. If you already have that started, then it's a little bit easier, as next you just have to create an account at a trading bot service like Tradeium. Then you go back to your exchange, create API keys, and then submit those API keys to Tradeium or the trading bot service, which will allow that trading bot to execute trades on your account, but with no withdrawal functionality, fortunately. Once the trading bot can connect to your account and execute trades, you need to configure settings on the trading bot service, which involves selecting the coins you want to trade and whatever parameters that they have for you that you could choose from. At Tradeium, it's rather simple, but other trading bot services make it extremely complex with a whole bunch of different settings that you can choose from. So that's the first issue. Just the process of getting started isn't completely one-click type of situation. The next issue is the restrictions. Because cryptocurrency trading bots today rely on centralized exchanges, in the future it'll be on decentralized exchanges, so this won't be much of an issue. But for now, it's on centralized exchanges, so they have restrictions in place, as governments around the world like to target these exchanges and restrict people's freedoms, basically. So, for example, there's a different Binance exchange for US, a different one for global, and even if you are on the global one, there are likely to be services that are restricted to you, such as coins you can trade, and if you can use futures or margin trading to gain leverage and added exposure to the cryptocurrency market. All of these restrictions carry on through the trading bot service. Trading bots may be available to you and then later they're not, or different services or bots within the trading bot platform may not be available to you. For example, we have MarginBot, which applies that same dual momentum trading system as TrendBot, but uses the margin account to borrow money for added exposure. And there's many countries around the world where that MarginBot is not usable. The next issue is fees and taxes. Although the trading fees on an exchange like Binance is extremely competitive, they're basically under 0.25%, which is including the trading fee that goes to Binance and slippage during executing that trade. The fees involved with borrowing assets in a margin account, for example, if you're lucky enough to have that offered to you, is very high. So in the case of the last bull market in 2021, the cost to borrow a stable coin like USDT was above 30%. Trading bot services also need to charge a fee. So this is where another inconvenience comes, as you need to either cough up your credit card information or you send periodic crypto payments to prepay for trading fees on the trading bot platform, such as in the case of Tradeium. As the cryptocurrency trading bot executes trades on your account, that could be a taxable event depending on what country you're from, such as in Canada or the United States. This, of course, is not just an issue with trading bots, as if you were to manually trade on your account, it would be the same issue. Cryptocurrency trading bots are an excellent service, and so are centralized exchanges, but they both have their problems. In the world of DeFi, many of these problems could be solved simply by structuring the trading service in a slightly different way. The DeFi project that I'm working on aims to solve exactly that. So if you're interested in cryptocurrency trading bots and the world of DeFi, then subscribe to this channel to get more updates on the project that we're working on. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.